Whoa, watch out, Chris. So what are we about to do right now? Let's get this on video.
I'm about to hit the out of some ball.
Oh, yeah?
To the forest. To one of your neighbors.
Yeah, alright.
Of our day.
Okay, good.
It's gonna be great.
Hit into the forest. Who knows what's on the other side? Doesn't matter.
Probably a troll. I don't know. What do you usually find for? Unicorn? What else they got?
Unicorn.
Else?
I like kill unicorn.
David the gnome and his stupid fox.
What?
Who doesn't know?
I actually know it too.
I'm gonna knock David.
It has like a red coney head.
Yeah. I'm gonna knock him off his fox.
Is this too high? Is this too tall?
I don't think it's. I think it's too big.
Squeeze
To
it.
mash it. Yeah, we can do that. I'll allow. I'll allow. Try.
Can you do this?
I'll hit the shit.
Oh, okay, that'll work. Actually, I have a better. Well, no, I don't have a better one. That'll work. Guys, you know I'm gonna lose my chapstick unless it's this. Are you good?
Chapstick's done.
Let's go hit the golf ball.
Just hammer it, Chris. Be sure to hammer it. Whatever you do.
Whatever I do, hammer it?
Yeah, hammer it.
Here we go. I'm just gonna hit the out of it.
All right, do it.
Yeah. Oh! That was a 6-point ball! Are you guys kidding me? Take your stupid ball! I'm getting crap! I should have known you guys wouldn't let me hit a real ball. That's all.
It looked like the box shook it. I wasn't expecting it to do that.
You know when I first hit it, I thought it had exploded in chapstick.
Where's the chapstick? Is completely gone.
I don't know, it's done for, man.